breakfast is more than just eggs, bacon, and toast, or funny-faced pancakes with strawberry lips. It is the meal that breaks your overnight fast. A healthy breakfast helps you control your weight and blood sugar, and gives you vitamins and minerals that help you feel well and think clearly. Break your nightly fast with healthy foods, and start your day off strong. Here are the 7 healthiest breakfasts, according to health experts. Number 1. Oatmeal, fruit, and nut butter. The best breakfasts have carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, and fiber. In this combo, the oatmeal gives you complex carbs and fiber, keeps your blood sugar under control, and helps maintain an ideal balance of bacteria in your gut. The nut butter adds protein and healthy fats. The fruit tops it off with fiber and vitamins, plus it gives your breakfast a sweet taste. Avoid pre-packed oatmeal mixes that have added sugar, and use old-fashioned oats instead. Number 2. Breakfast tacos. Tacos in the morning? Now, that is a reason to get out of bed. Your body needs protein all day long, not just at dinner. One scrambled egg has 6 grams of protein to build and maintain lean muscle, and to help you feel full longer. Throw in some bell pepper for minerals and vitamin C, and fold it into a corn tortilla, if you want to keep gluten levels low. Top with fresh salsa, tomatoes are anti-inflammatory, and a slice of avocado for B vitamins, and good fats. Number 3. Greek yogurt and berries. A healthy breakfast has a low glycemic load. This means, it does not spike your blood sugar, and then give you the dreaded mid-morning crash. In this dish, berries add natural sweetness, fiber, and vitamins. Greek yogurt has calcium, B vitamins, belly-friendly bacteria, and double the protein of regular yogurt for roughly the same calories. Stick to the plain version, since flavored ones have added sugars. Number 4. Whole grain toast and nut butter. If you work out in the morning, this breakfast puts high-grade fuel in your tank. Whole grains cut your risk of obesity, and the long-term diseases that come with it, and nut butter adds protein to get you through that last set of sit-ups. Number 5. Fresh fruit salad. Sure, it is easier to crack open a bottle of fruit juice than to cut up a bunch of fruit, but you will not get as many benefits. You will miss all the fiber that keeps your bowels healthy and lowers cholesterol. In a study of apples versus apple juice, nutrients and antioxidants found in the apple were missing in the juice. Stick with the real thing. Number 6. Smoothies. A simple smoothie is a healthy smoothie. Stick to fruit, plain yogurt or nut butter, and maybe a little wheat germ for extra vitamins, minerals, and protein. That way, you will avoid the saturated fat and added sugars that you will get if you use fruit juice, flavored yogurts, or whipped cream. Number 7. Breakfast sandwich. Eggs are not the only way to pack protein into your breakfast. If you do not like sweet stuff in the morning, make yourself a sandwich. 2 slices of whole wheat bread, with some lean meat, lettuce, tomato, and a slice of low-fat cheese, will pump you full of protein and vitamins, and keep you feeling full all morning. While there is no exact time we should eat breakfast, we recommend aiming to eat something within a couple of hours of waking up, ideally before 8 in the morning. If we skip breakfast, we may be vulnerable to poor energy, lack of concentration, and low blood sugar. This can lead to overeating later on in the day, and trigger less than ideal food choices. A good breakfast fuels your body and brain to power you through the morning, satisfies your appetite, and sets the stage for smart decisions all day long. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to know the latest update from OFW Insights World.